Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is one of our lovely regular clients, Sapphire. So Sapphire has been coming to us for over 2 years and her hair has changed dramatically over the time. Okay, so as you can see, her hair was really damaged, and this is basically from use of glue extensions, so like pre-bonded and stuff. It was also really thin and fragile, but over the years Kelly has managed to gain the strength back and the vitality of the hair through using this method of an LA weave. Okay, so I know this hair looks a bit scary putting it in, but the reason is because Sapphire is a mum, and it really is hard to go to the salon to get your hair done. So with this method of using a LA weave, it's going to make the hair look really natural, it's going to sit well, and it's going to save time going to the salon, spending about 6 hours in the chair getting your hair dyed, and it's going to be so much healthier for your hair. So Sapphire, bless her heart, really wanted minimal hair as possible because it's got to be hard managing babies and obviously hair at the same time. So she really wanted to keep it simple, keep it nice, but still keep the hair growth, as she has been coming to us for a very long time. So this is what we wanted to do for her. So as you can see, it's a really super glossy, super easy hair, and it just looks absolutely stunning. So Kelly did say to Sapphire to have a little bit more extra hair put in, but because she does have a busy lifestyle, she didn't really want to take on that extra challenge. So luckily for Sapphire, her hair does double up in thickness as she washes it, which is amazing. So guys, please like, subscribe and comment on this video if you want to see more.